Key description 1. Pairing and activation. To reset. Add to the app. Click plus to add the device. Pairing. Press auto button for 8 seconds. To enter pairing mode, it will flick 20 times to response. After searches to the app, the light will stop flicking. Click search for searching the device. Click tick to add the device to the app. Click device to add it. Activation. After adding to the app, press auto button again. For 8 seconds to activate the device, it will flick 20 times to response. Successful activation. Configure the device. Select the device you want to control, single light, group, or all lamps. Reset. Press on-off button for 8 seconds. To reset, it will flick 4 times to response.